Hi, I'm Rick with Technical Prospects, bringing you another tech tip. Today I'm going to show you how to safely return an automatic QC probe safely back into its vault on a Symbia nuclear medicine camera. During an auto QC workflow, sometimes the point source or line source might inadvertently get stuck in extended positions. We've removed the source here just for safety reasons. However, to manually push this back in, if you cannot get into service or the user is not able to get into service, the proper way to replace this rod safely and to restore it back into the vault is simply to take the palm of your hand and place it firmly straight. You don't want to bend it one way or the other, and you want to make sure that you just do firm taps. You'll hear it ratchet. That's a normal thing. The system's made to do that. That's how you safely restore a source back into the vault. For more tips like these, visit technicalprospects.com and click the Resources tab.